Hi everyone. We like to go through how we designed the website first and what were the initial problems. So there was some inconsistent writing and there's no platform for post discovery earlier, along with unsynchronized payments and manual balance override.
So we are a platform with one platform involves certificate. So our platform involves it's a multi-site architecture and it has a AI post mapping feature. So this is a brief about the post mapping AI. Then talking about the stack.
So we have used XJS for the app router and Propagate availability and style for our payments and payment before and below UI.
So there are some security designs that I go through, and some of them are server-side localization and core components. Then we have accessibility and governance implemented and payment through. So now we'll be moving towards the demo of the website.
Yeah, hi. So, part of the main point was like allowing regional chapters to kind of allowing the global chapter to kind of like organize properly and like propagate all its changes, UI changes, or all its major rules and guidelines that it follows to the local chapters. So kind of like localizing that part. And second main point was having like a proper RBAC structure. So what we have done is we have not just provided RBAC to just data, we have also provided RBAC to the UI elements. So some UI elements can be edited by the chapter lead, or and like some of them can be edited by the content editor. And for some changes they might require admin approval as well. So if okay, so what I'll start with. Yeah. So this is like the admin dashboard that I'll start with. We went very simple with the UI. We were more focused towards the functionality. So that like the UI is very simple here. But like what we can do is like we can create new chapters. So this is the super admin. Like he is like a global head, and what he can do is he can create new chapters and he can generate or like approve requests for like the changes suggested by the lower or yeah, the local chapter. So whatever changes like he makes, like all those changes like go to propagate to the below chapter. Now there is users as well, and for users you can have like you can assign it. Yeah. So users can be defined different roles. So like you can specify okay for Australia you are like a chapter lead, or you can be the content editor, and then you can assign multiple roles, and according to these roles your UI will also change. So if I like assign manage his website, and whatever changes he makes will get dropped. Yeah, I'm sorry, it's like really getting very slow. What happens is basically like there is some UI element which the local chapter can edit, and he can then send these changes to the he can like selectively send some changes to the super admin who can like publish those changes, and then accordingly the UI like the color and like the rest of the stuff will also change. Then you also added the AI semantics cross lingual search. So if there is like you have content in different languages, this will stored in the RAC database, and whatever you search, it will like get translated into multiple languages, and and then will get searched in the database, and then it will automatically suggest you all the related stuff that you have searched for. We also went for like optimizing AI usage. So for that we prioritize using local models, and yeah, so we prioritize using local models, and also like for creating summaries. So like there is an option where you can create summaries. Where it will automatically create summary for all the resources that you upload, so it will analyze. Yeah. So this is like it suggested. Okay, these are the coach matches that these are the coach